Imagine you're strolling through the self-help section of your local bookstore, and you bump into a massive tome titled Awaken the Giant Within. No, it's not a guidebook for nurturing your very own Jack and the Beanstalk situation, but rather Tony Robbins' magnum opus on how to kick the door down on your mundane existence and unleash the magnificent beast of potential prowling inside you. In a nutshell, if you're poised for a bit of life renovation, Tony's your go-to handyman. First off, Tony's thesis can be summarized thusly. Want to jazz up your life? Crank up your standards like you're turning the volume knob to 11? Believe you can achieve them? And presto. Also, remember, consistency is key, kind of like brushing your teeth or remembering to wear pants. You've got to keep at it every day, not just on Sundays or when you feel like it. He introduces us to what he calls the ultimate success formula, which sounds like the secret recipe for an award-winning chili, but is actually about reaching your goals. It goes something like this. 1. Decide what you want. Easier said than done, right? 2. Do something about it, because wishing upon a star only works in Disney movies. 3. If what you're doing isn't working, try something else. AKA, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. Rinse and repeat until success is yours. Tony also introduces us to the Master System, which sounds suspiciously like a vintage video game console, comprised of core beliefs, values, references, life questions, and emotional states. Change one, and apparently you can change your life. Kind of like swapping out that old crunchy couch in your living room for a new one, instantly makes the whole place feel fresher. The secret sauce, according to Robbins, is all about making decisions and sticking to them. Not in a, I've decided I'm only eating chocolate from now on kind of way, but more in a life-directing, destiny-shaping kind of way. You focus on what to do, what meanings you assign to things, and how you go about achieving what you desire. Presto chango, life changed. Now, a hefty chunk of the book dives into the psychology of why we do what we do, boiling down to two things: avoiding pain and chasing pleasure. It turns out we're all a bit like Pavlov's dogs, drooling at the thought of pleasure and recoiling at the snap of pain. Interestingly, Robbins chuckers in the idea that we're more motivated by the stick than the carrot, which explains a lot about last Friday night, doesn't it? But hey, change is hard, because guess what? We humans are pretty darn good at misinterpreting our experiences and solidifying those into beliefs faster than cement drying in the sun. Those beliefs then dictate our actions, like unseen puppet masters pulling our strings, leading us into a merry dance of self-sabotage. But fear not. Tony's here with a ladder to climb out of that rut. Robbins suggests that to create a seismic shift in our lives, we need to start questioning our beliefs, especially the global ones like life is a box of chocolates, or, more pertinently, I am not enough. He urges us to build new beliefs like we're constructing a skyscraper, brick by emotional brick, until we have a new skyline of possibilities. As for the nitty-gritty of making changes stick, Robbins talks about associating massive pain with our old unhelpful beliefs and massive pleasure with the new empowering ones. It's a bit like training a dog with treats, but in this case, you're both the trainer and the dog. Woof. In essence, Awaken the Giant Within is less about discovering a hidden, inner, mythical creature and more about grabbing your life by the reins, or the steering wheel, for those who are metaphorically challenged, and driving it like you stole it, towards meaning, fulfillment, and joy. Tony Robbins, with his high-octane enthusiasm and penchant for personal power, reminds us all that the key to unlocking our potential lies within our decisions, beliefs, and, most importantly, our action, or, actually getting off the couch. So, strap in, turn the key, and let's awaken that giant. Just watch out for beanstalks. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. If this video was helpful to you, please let me know in the comments and leave a like on this video. I love hearing from you guys, and it helps grow the channel.